Recently, ChatGPT is very hot, right? So, I asked the AI, ChatGPT, how to make money using artificial intelligence. There are several ways to make money using artificial intelligence, some of which include 1. Developing and selling AI software. Developing and selling AI software such as machine learning algorithms or natural language processing tools can be a profitable business. 2. AI consulting. Offering consulting services to companies looking to implement AI in their operations such as automating processes, predictive analytics and more. 3. AI-powered products and services. Building AI-powered products and services such as chatbots, virtual assistants, automated trading systems, and predictive maintenance systems can generate revenue. 4. Investment in AI-based startups. Investing in AI-based startups can also be a way to make money. 5. Data labeling and annotation. With the growing demand for data-driven AI models, data labeling and annotation services are in high demand. 6. AI-powered e-commerce. AI-powered e-commerce businesses such as product recommendations, price optimization and chatbots can be very profitable. 7. Machine learning model as a service. Offer a machine learning model as a service such as providing a pre-trained model that can be used to classify images, extract features or perform other tasks. It's important to keep in mind that the field of AI is relatively new and rapidly evolving, so there may be other ways to make money using AI that have not yet been discovered. Additionally, it's important to have a good understanding of AI technology and to stay current with the latest developments in the field. It's also important to seek professional advice and to be aware of the risks and legal compliance related to the implementation of AI.